Civic the smarter choice. Now in its 10th generation, the Honda Civic is a smarter choice than ever. The Honda Civic became a byword for reliability and good sense from the moment it hit the road. Arriving a year before the 1973 oil crisis, it capitalized on the demand for nimble, economical cars stoked by rising fuel prices. 4 decades later, it has evolved for a very different world. The 10th generation Civic offers an unbeatable blend of practicality, driving pleasure and efficiency, as well as dramatic styling unrivaled in this kind of car. It's also, of course, as dependable as it's always been. To celebrate 10 generations of Honda Civic, here's 10 reasons why now more than ever it's the smarter choice. Excellent real-world fuel economy. Honda's new 1.6-litre i-DTEC diesel engine offers unparalleled peace of mind for environmentally responsible drivers. Not only does it accomplish exceptional fuel economy on paper, it's one of the first engines subjected to the very latest tests, intended to ensure that figures recorded in the lab can be replicated in the real world. Carbon dioxide emissions of just 93 g/km are class leading, and the promise of up to 80.7 mpg will satisfy even the most frugal of drivers. A relaxing ride. Decades of engineering experience result in a lightweight, rigid body shell, which, in concert with a sophisticated suspension system, insulates the driver and passengers from potholed British tarmac. The futuristic shape of the car not only looks fantastic, but helps to minimize wind noise too. Nimble handling. The light, rigid body and a low center of gravity mean Civic is an agile drive, and a comfortable one, too. Drivers who opt for a top-of-the-range model get an adaptive damping system, which lets them prioritize comfort or spurtiness, depending on their mood. Futuristic styling. Since 2005, the Honda Civic has stood out from the crowd with a sleek, purposeful silhouette. Now, for the 10th generation model, the daring design has been lengthened, lowered and widened, creating acres of interior space, and a muscular, aerodynamic shape that owes as much to an elegant saloon as it does to practical hatchbacks. A clever cabin. The roomy interior and cavernous boot are only part of what makes the Civic so practical. What really tips the scale is the way it's all put together, the wide boot opening, for example, and a handy side opening luggage cover that extends from a removable cassette. Then there's all the storage features inside the cabin, including a hidden area behind the center console. Packed with practical technology, the Honda Civic is as connected as you need it to be. The equipment available includes a Garmin sat-nav, rear-view cameras and wireless phone charging, as well as Honda's Connect audio and information system, which combines a DAB digital radio with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto technology that keeps drivers and passengers entertained on the move. Safe and sound. The new Civic has been designed to keep you and your loved ones safe. None of its rivals has matched its 5-star Euro NCAP rating, 92% score for adult occupant protection, and 88% rating for its active safety systems. The impressive results are in part due to its big car safety features, including a traffic sign recognition system and whiplash-reducing front head restraints. Smart technology minimizes the chance of an accident, and the strength of the body frame provides protection in the event of a collision. Built in Britain. In the quarter of a century since Honda started building the Civic at its factory in Swindon, more than 2 million cars have rolled off the production line. As well as supplying the UK market, the British plant and its 3,000 skilled workers have made Civics and other Hondas for the rest of Europe, and even Japan. Performance on demand. The high-performance Type R Civic, one of the most admired hot hatchbacks on sale, holds the lap record at the Nürburgring in Germany for a front-wheel drive car. Its time of 7 minutes 43.8 seconds is faster than some supercars costing 10 times more than the family champion. A price you can afford. Despite its exemplary economy, safety, performance and technological prowess, the new car comes at a surprisingly affordable price. You could be driving a Honda Civic 1.6-litre i-DTEC manual for just £249 a month on one of Honda's PCP finance deals, or cash prices start at £20,120. For the latest Auto New Cars motorbike news updates, follow Auto New Cars Motorbike on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.